As you know, women are very sensitive, and sex isn't just intercourse or stimulation of the erogenous zones for them. Not at all, in fact. Women receive information through many different receptors at the same time, and it's wrong to say that they love with their ears. Well, not just with their ears. Everything is important, from scent to proper lighting to the right touches. I mean, the absence of distracting sounds and unpleasant taste bud sensations also play a role, but even that's not the most important thing. Where do these signals get processed? Correct, the brain. For women, sex begins long before penetration, before foreplay, or even before you get undressed. Sometimes it's before you even see each other. Not many people know that sex begins in her head, which is the very zone that you should put first.